Hello. If you're in this video, your kids must have soiled a car seat, so today I'll show you how to disassemble and wash Maxi Cosi Rodi Airprotect dirty fabric cover. It's not difficult and the car seat will be new after washing, at least it will be clean for a while. Let's start from the back. The disassembly of this Maxi Cosi car seat. Unhook the retaining rubbers, they are held together by a hook. Disconnect the two rubbers, and pull off the fabric cover. But carefully, so as not to damage the polystyrene, which is responsible for safety in a crash. Then by pulling up slightly on the hook you can remove the cover. This way you can also remove the back part. Unhook the last hook that holds the rubber bands together. Remove the seat part from the back side. Take off the fabric cover, just remember to unhook the cover rubber from the hooks. Do the same on the other side and the first fabric cover is removed. Hook off the head part cover, it's easy. Release the fabric from the hooks and take off. Slowly pull the cover away, just remember to take care along the polystyrene parts. The back cover can easily be taken off by lifting the head support higher. The other cover is also removed. As with the previous two fabric covers, pull this one also away, and if you see any hooks, unhook the cover from them and continue with the removal. Just pull it out. Fabric cover from red safety strap supports. In the seat section, the cover is fixed with fabric hook tape, so the cover can just be ripped off there. Pull the fabric on the other side out of the red part and I can congratulate you. You have removed all three Maxi Cosi Rodi Airprotect fabric covers. Put all three covers in the washing machine to wash. They can be washed with dark clothes. Put in the washing capsule. I usually wash car seat fabric covers on synthetics mode and at 30 degrees. We now have 2 hours and 12 minutes for the next stage of car seat cleaning. The plastic construction of the seat is also dirty. The biggest parts can be vacuumed. But it is better to use a damp cloth to wash off the excess dirt. It will take time, but it is worth it. I hope this tutorial was useful. Please see my other videos where I show how to remove and install back Maxi Cosi Rodi Airprotect in car seat, and how to put back all the fabric covers after washing. Thank you and safe travels.